Playing FC26 on high-end PC but not getting the performance you expected? You are in the right place. This is your complete optimization guide to unlock peak gameplay on powerful rigs. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are dialing in the best settings and tweaks to make FC26 run smooth on high-end PCs. Let's get started. Method 1. Change the in-game settings. The first thing you need to do is change the in-game settings. Run the FC26, open the game settings and click on display configuration. First set the resolution to the native resolution or 1920x1080. Next is set display mode to full screen. Set the refresh rate to 144Hz or what's available as per your system. Next set the frame rate to 120 FPS or no limit on FPS. Turn on VSync. Turn the dynamic resolution scale to on. Set cutscene performance to full frame rate. Set strand-based hair to on. Set rendering quality to ultra or high. Next, set grass quality to high or ultra and crowd quality to high or ultra. You might need to change the settings as per your system and check what works best for you. Once done, go to the bottom of the screen and apply all the changes. Method 2. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver, select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app and run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC, then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Method 3. Run the game on a dedicated graphics card. If you have multiple GPUs for your system, then make sure to use the one for gaming, as this can tackle the graphics intensive tasks well. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing FC26. There are different ways to check if you are running the dedicated graphics card, depending on your operating system and the specific card you have. You can follow the method shown here. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You should see two adapters listed here, one for your dedicated graphics card and one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card will have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so make sure to run the game with a higher memory size to avoid loading or crashing issues. Method 4. Close running programs. After updating the graphics drivers, make sure to close any unnecessary program running in the background. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Processes tab, check for any unnecessary processes. Right-click on them and select End Task to close them. Apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, Google Chrome should be closed before playing FC26. Method 5. Set the power settings to high performance. The next thing you can do is allow the PC to go for performance optimization over power saving. You can set the high performance mode for the intense gameplay for better results. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Set the view by section to large or small icons. Select power options. Click on high performance under hide additional plans. If you cannot find it, click on show additional plans, and once done, restart your PC and then launch FC25. Method 6. Set the game to high priority. Open the Task Manager using Windows Search. Select the Details tab. Right-click on the game.exe process and move the cursor to set priority. Click on High. Similarly, you can also set the priority of other processes that you need to keep running to low, which should give the game more of the system resources to run optimally. Method 7. Install the proper version of DirectX. Many games, including FC26, require a specific version of DirectX to run properly. If you have an outdated or incompatible version, it will cause issues. The latest version of DirectX ensures the game's improved performance. This is what you have to do to install DirectX. Search DirectX Runtime Download on Google and click on the first result from Microsoft.com. Select the installer language you prefer and click on Download. Wait for the download to finish and then run the installer. Complete the installation and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation finishes, restart your PC. Method 8. Install Visual C++ redistributables. Installing Visual C++ redistributable can be helpful since it includes a set of libraries that helps the game rely on and function normally. If these libraries are missing or outdated, it leads to issues. To install Visual C++ redistributable, search for Visual C++ redistributables in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. Download the recently available Visual C++ redistributable. Ensure you download for the correct architecture like x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file and restart your PC. Method 9. Update your Windows OS. Windows Update can help resolve issues with game performance. Also, updating Windows to the latest version ensures your computer runs with the latest security and performance enhancements. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 10. Select the highest refresh rate as per your monitor. You should choose the highest refresh rate your PC monitor supports while playing FC25. This ensures a better gaming experience. To do so, right-click on a blank space on your desktop. Open Display Settings. Select Advanced Display. From the drop-down menu for Choose a Refresh Rate, set the highest rate your monitor permits. Method 11. Disable Overlay. Disabling the overlays can boost the gaming performance. So while you are playing a graphic-intensive game like FC25, disable the overlay features. Here is how to disable Steam Overlay. Open Steam and head to Library. Find FC25 and right-click on the game. Go to its properties. Now select the General tab. Uncheck the Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game option. Make sure you disable other overlay apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay Overlay or AMD Overlay. Method 12. Increase virtual memory. You can increase virtual RAM as it gives you more control setting your in-game graphics settings to maximum, enabling features like ray tracing as well as maintaining good frame rates. Here is how to increase the virtual memory. Type Advanced System Settings in the Windows search menu and select the top search result. Under Performance, click Settings, go to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Choose the drive where you want to store the paging file. Select Custom Size. In the Initial Size field, enter a value equal to 1.5 times of your total available RAM. In the Maximum Size field, enter a value that is 3 times of your total RAM. To check that, open Windows Settings and then from the System tab, select About. Check the RAM. Once you have set the value, click on Set, then OK twice. Then restart your PC. Method 13. Avoid overclocking your PC. Overclocking is done to boost the system's performance. But sometimes this can be harmful for the PC's components and can result in crashes or cause issues while playing games like FC26. So it is wise to disable overclocking while playing FC26. To do so, boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings. The process of booting into BIOS varies from system to system, so you can check the manufacturer's website for the exact process to boot into your BIOS. You can also take help of the user manual to boot into your BIOS. Here are the basic steps to enter into BIOS or the UEFI settings. Open your Windows settings. Select Recovery from the right pane. Then click on the Restart Now button next to Advanced Startup. Once your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. Then you should find the UEFI firmware settings. Once you boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings, navigate to the overclocking section and then disable it. You should close all the overclocking apps if you are using one like MSI Afterburner or similar applications. And there you have it. The best optimization guide for FC26 on high-end PCs. We hope these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech fixes and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.